Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot use your Google Voice Assistant on your Panasonic W70 TV. So if you are pressing the microphone button on your remote control and it doesn't do anything on your TV, then your remote control is probably not properly connected to your TV, and in such case you're gonna have to go to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to open all settings menu. You can also use your smartphone instead if you want to. After that, navigate to remotes and accessories, find your TV remote, and now let's straight away forget this TV remote so that we don't have any troubles with it. And now in order to connect our TV remote, we're gonna have to use the combination of keys. Just give me a moment. So on your remote control, press and hold the home button alongside with the back button or the return button. Hold them down at the same time until your blue light starts blinking. Then go back to remotes and accessories, select pair accessory, and you will see your TV remote on the list. Press OK to pair it with your TV. Now after that, after the TV remote is connected, let's go back to settings. Let's go to privacy, and in privacy find Google Assistant. Make sure that the voice control is enabled for Google Assistant. It is the most important part. Now you can try using your voice assistant straight away by holding down the microphone button and saying something to it. But if it cannot hear you, then in such case you're gonna have to restart your TV. So in order to restart your TV, just hold down the power button for a couple of seconds, then select OK. Let your TV shut down and give it a couple of seconds to shut down. And after that, let's turn it back on by pressing the power button once again. And after your TV restarts, you'll be able to use your voice assistant once again. So let's check it out. Let's give the TV some time to launch. And after your TV launches, give it like 45 seconds to fully load the interface so you can smoothly navigate in it, or more or less at least. And after that, start holding down the microphone button and speaking to your voice assistant. And right now, it should be able to hear you.
Sure. Here's the voice assistant back 2023.
And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.